Chat, did you see my goosebumps?
Huh?
I had goosebumps. Somebody recommended another song. The One by Baby Metal, but there's an unfinished piano version of it. It's from Baby Metal, it's The One.
Metal?
Yeah, it's The One. The song is called The One.
The One?
Yeah. There's a piano version of it.
The One. You know?
Like THE.
Like standing in the back the whole time, like
Yeah.
just listening to it.
Oh no,
He's gone now,
that's
but-
so cool.
There were a few people watching, yeah.
That's crazy. I couldn't see the beats. Did
Huh?
you get beat?
What beat?
Did you get beat something?
Oh,
Yeah.
did we?
Yeah, the last one.
Oh yeah, but you were already over.
Uber KM. No. Uber
Uber KRN.
KRN.
25,000.
Phil
No,
Strongman
250k. No, 25.
25,000.
Yeah. And Nurburger resubscribed for 4 months. And he said amazing skills.
Prime sub, by the way. Any primers in the chat?
But how did you do it when your phone went off?
Huh?
Your phone went off halfway through the song.
My phone.
Yeah, you didn't have your notes on the phone.
Oh yeah.
Easy for her.
Easy clap.
I was kind of stuck, but yeah, thanks for listening.
Flying Brains with a prime
how do
sub.
we get-
Told you it
Prime
works.
sub,
Prime
yeah.
sub.
Yeah.
Prime sub. I don't know the Baby Metal song. I'm so sorry.
I can Google it for you if you want.
Really?
Yeah.
How?
On the
Just
phone.
Google it.
But I need your phone because
My
mine is dead.
phone doesn't have any battery.
Oh, so
Could you bring? Can I borrow?
like The One. It's actually a good idea. I read it in chat.
Thank you so much. Where is
Should I?
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, but careful, there's a table.
yeah.
Okay. What is the QR code for?
Huh?
What is the QR code for?
I think it's for a museum or so.
I don't know. I don't read. Cannot read Dutch. I'm from Latvia. I only know English.
What is
Latvian.
this?
I think it's just ad for the station.
Okay. Damn, this piano is so nice. This is crazy. You even just put in there. Huh? Oh no, it's okay. It's heavy. It's heavy. Just put in there. It's okay.